Nuys, ready. 994 Whiskey Yankee. We have window flag, immediate landing. I cannot hear you.
Sala Baron, November 994 Whiskey Yankee, 8,800 descending with Romeo to Van Nuys.
Baron 994 Whiskey Yankee. Roger, altimeter 3012.
3012, 994 Whiskey Yankee. SoCal 994 Whiskey Yankee, frequency change to Van Nuys, please.
That's Colin Sagan, I was on the line.
994 Whiskey Yankee, Newhall Pass, frequency change to Van Nuys.
For Whiskey Yankee, up, after Van Nuys.
Roger that.
For Whiskey Yankee, Van Nuys, Tower 19.3, have a good night. Baron 4 Whiskey Yankee, Van Nuys Tower 119.3.
Mayday. 994 Whiskey Yankee, we have window flag.
November 994 Whiskey Yankee, how do you hear? Southwest 1937 cross, sound like cut above 4, cleared ILO Zulu 8 approach, just acknowledges ident. Edit. November 994 Whiskey Yankee, SoCal approach.
November 994 Whiskey Yankee, Van Nuys Tower, you on frequency.
November 4 Whiskey Yankee, ident is observed, Van Nuys Airport 12 o'clock in about 8 miles.
Van Nuys, ready. 994 Whiskey Yankee. We have window flag, immediate landing. I cannot hear you.
994 Whiskey Yankee, Van Nuys Tower, runway 16 right short and clear to land.
Ready. 994 Whiskey Yankee. We need to land soon.
November 994 Whiskey Yankee, Van Nuys Tower, runway 16 right shortened, cleared to land.
Ready, 994 Whiskey Yankee. We have window flag, we cannot hear anything. Immediate landing, runway 16 right.
November 994 Whiskey Yankee, Van Nuys Tower, runway 16 right short and clear to land.
We need medical.
November 994 Whiskey Yankee, Van Nuys Tower, runway 16 right short and cleared to land. What is the nature of the medical emergency, if you can hear this transmission?
We have runway inside straight in. We need a medical.
November 4 Whiskey Yankee, Van Nuys Tower, understood. We've got emergency vehicles that'll be standing by. Runway 16 right short and clear to land.
That is gravel, crash 114. Nature of our incident sounds like a medical.
Crash 114 Van Nuys, affirmative. Aircraft is approximately a mile and a half final. And as soon as they get over threshold, we'll get you guys going. Unknown nature of the medical emergency.
Copy that, Van Nuys ground.
Van Nuys, we have runway short final. We need to land soon.
Alright, 994 Whiskey Yankee, Van Nuys Tower, runway 16 right short and clear to land.
Need to land.
4 Whiskey Yankee again, use caution. Runway 16 right is shortened, sir. Crash 114, you at Echo?
Ops 44 is at Echo.
Ops 44 understood. From Echo, proceed under runway 16 right shortened.
Proceeding on 16 right.
Yeah, Van Nuys ground, we're at the base of your tower.
Crash 114, roger. Bonanza touching down now, sir. Unknown nature of medical emergency. Proceed up to hold short runway 16 right at Kilo.
Copy that, horn short of Kilo.
Alright, Crash 114, yeah, wherever this Baron turns, just go ahead and follow him. And you can proceed under the runway if he needs immediate medical assistance.
Van Nuys ground, we copy.
Alright, we land safely. We're going to pick up the runway and taxi to the southwest corner.
Follow them. I'll get a rescue heading our way over here.
Baron 4 Whiskey Yankee, sorry, say again.
Baron 4 Whiskey Yankee, we landed safely. Thank you so much. And then we're going to pick up the runway and taxi to the southwest corner. We need a medical.
Baron 4 Whiskey Yankee, understood. Do you want to just get the medical assistance on taxiway Alpha, sir?
Negative. We're going to taxi to southwest corner and I need medical there in American Aviation, please.
Baron 4 Whiskey Yankee, understood. Taxi to southwest corner of Alpha. What is the nature of the medical emergency, sir?
Okay, we have a cockpit window crack. I think we hit something. I'm not sure what, but my window was okay and suddenly it's cracked. And my my other pilot got a lot of blood here because of the window crack.
Crash 114, did you copy that?
Yeah, Van Nuys.
Okay, my pilot is a doctor, a medical doctor, so he will probably assist you with what he needs. But a lot of blood in his face, but he's fine.
Crash 114, sorry, were you monitoring on 119.3, sir?
Van Nuys Graph Crash 114, we are monitoring the communications you have with the pilot. We are right now going alongside with the pilot as we speak.
Crash 114, understood, sir. Proceed on to taxiway at your discretion. Use caution to see a vehicle behind and to your left, sir.
Crash 14, we copy that.
904 Whiskey Yankee, I think we got a bird strike.
4 Whiskey Yankee, understood, sir. Multiple emergency vehicles there. Roger, sir. You can shut down at your discretion. Advise if you need to stay on Alpha. Correction, don't worry about it. The city operations vehicle will tell us if we need to close down Alpha.
Roger, we're already at the American Aviation hangar. Everything is good. Thank you so much for the help. We're freezing cold here. Lucky we're landed safely.
4 Whiskey Yankee, understood.
Ground from Task Force 90. We'd like to cross 16 right here at Quebec. We're at Bravo.
Task Force 90 Van Nuys there, cross runway 16 right at Quebec. Were you monitoring the frequency? Did you hear what the nature of the medical emergency was?
No, we didn't have tower up.
Task Force 9, understood. Apparently a bird strike. An individual, their face apparently, or some part of the body got caught up. But yes, you can proceed across, cross runway 16 right at Quebec.
Okay, copy that. We're going to cross here with 3 vehicles. Bravo to Quebec, 16 right over to Alpha.
Task Force 9 and company approved as requested. Cross runway 16 right to Quebec.
Okay, Van Nuys, we got a lot of blood inside the cockpit, and then we got a lot of fender here, so it's confirmed positive. We got a big bird on final, and that's what the cost.
Fernando, 4 Whiskey Roger, thank you. Or 4 Whiskey Yankee, thank you, sir.
Yeah, Van Nuys Graph from Crash 114. We're on scene here with your aircraft. We are doing a patient assessment. We have a rescue coming our way from 90s. We're going to be handling it here with our resources.
Crash 114, thank you so much, sir. Y'all have a good night.